The plumbing and heating program here at Mbit is a nationally recognized program. It has been designed around meeting the business, industry, and national skills standards. This program uses project-based methods and national performance standards to instruct and evaluate students. They tackle daily theory and hands-on application of basic principles of plumbing systems. This way of learning prepares students for entry-level jobs using their academic and technical skills to install plumbing systems such as residential plumbing fixtures, garbage disposals, kitchen and bath faucets, hot water heaters, and gas fuel piping. Instruction for this class includes the use of ICC 2015 codebooks for plumbing, mechanical and fuel gas piping, basic hand tools, and power equipment, refrigerant, recovery equipment, manifold gauges, digital multimeters, and testing equipment. Students will also be able to achieve certification in EPA, OSHA, ladders, BlazeMaster, track pipe, gas tight, and HBA.